Most AI failures aren't model failures, they're rollout failures. Shadow AI, unclear data rules, overtrust in hallucinations, tool-connected agents with broad permissions, and no plan for when something goes wrong. AI change management means rolling out AI tools in a way that's controlled and measurable. It includes people, training and accountability, process, approvals and escalation paths, and technology, tool selection, permissions, monitoring, and incident readiness. The goal isn't no mistakes, it's small mistakes, caught fast, fixed consistently. Here are the 5 patterns that break AI rollouts. 1. Shadow AI becomes normal. Personal accounts, random extensions, unknown retention. 2. No clear data rules. People guess and they paste secrets or sensitive info. 3. Overtrust. Confident hallucinations get published or acted on for agents and tools before controls. Risk shifts from wrong answer to wrong action. 5. No monitoring, no incident plan. Problems show up when customers complain. Safe rollout mindset in 1 sentence. Controls before capability. Week 1. Pick 1 scope, 1 team or 1 workflow, not AI everywhere. Assign 1 accountable owner, then set green, yellow, red data rules. Green is public and non-sensitive drafts. Yellow is internal with human review. Red is secrets, credentials, regulated data, and highly sensitive personal info. And set a default, draft-only AI drafts. Humans approve. Week 2. Publish an approved tools list and a not approved list. Do vendor minimums, retention, deletion, training usage, admin controls, audit logs, and incident notifications. Turn on secure access like MFA or SSO where possible, and publish a 1-page AI acceptably used policy. Week 3. Pilot 1 or 2 low-risk workflows with clear human review. Examples: internal email drafting, draft only, summarizing meeting notes with no sensitive data, or internal policy search with citations you verify. Track simple metrics: time saved, error rate, user satisfaction, escalation rate. Week 4. Add weekly quality reviews with a simple rubric, cost controls like token budgets and alerts, and 1 clear incident channel. Set containment switches, draft-only mode, disable tool access for agents, and rollback changes. Then scale 1 workflow or permission at a time. Make this operational with 2 simple templates. An approved AI tools register, owner, allowed data, retention, training usage, admin controls, and an AI use case intake form, data level, impact, if wrong, human review, and whether tools are read-only or write with a final warning. Pilots often turn into production silently. Set a pilot end date and clear graduation requirements. Monitoring, approvals, logs, owner, incident path. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. It really helps us grow.